So here's how to add currency sign, or you can say dollar sign, in Excel. So let's get started. First of all, as you can see guys, here are some of the money transaction here. So in this column I need to add the dollar sign. So first of all, we need to select the column like this, right click on your mouse and simply go with the format cells. Now once you have here, you need to go to the numbers and simply go with the currency. Here is the currency. So from here, as you can see, we need to go with the symbol and simply go with the symbol that you need. So for my case, I'm going with the dollar sign, which is the basic thing. So I will go with the dollar and simply go with OK when you satisfy. So first of all, as you can see, the decimal point will be 2. If you want to add 2 decimal points after the dollar, you can simply go with the 2, otherwise go with the 1. And you can see the preview right over here. So select one of the preview that you are liking, like here is first bracket, here is red color. You can select any of these. After doing so, you can simply go and press on OK, and there you have it. So that's how you can add dollar sign, or we can say the currency or number sign or money sign in Excel. So hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and have a very good day.